Hey there, adventurers! It's your man, Bear Grylls, here to talk about something crucial for survival fire safety. Whether you're braving the wilderness or just relaxing at home, fire can be a friend and a foe. Today, we're focusing on preventing those unwanted blazes. Before we dive in, hit that like button, share this vital information with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more life-saving tips. Now let's get down to business and learn how to protect ourselves and our loved ones from fire hazards. Remember folks, knowledge is power. By understanding the risks and taking simple precautions, we can significantly reduce the chances of a fire emergency. Stay tuned for some essential fire safety tips you won't want to miss. Right, let's talk about turning your home into a fire-safe fortress. Fire safety isn't just about having the right equipment, it's about building habits and routines that keep you and your loved ones protected every single day. Whether you live in a house, an apartment, or a condo, these steps are essential for everyone. First things first, install smoke detectors on every level of your home, including inside and outside bedrooms. Don't forget areas like basements and attics, where fires can start unnoticed. Smoke detectors are your first line of defense, giving you precious time to react. These little lifesavers will alert you to danger even when you're sound asleep. The loud alarm can wake you up and give you those crucial extra seconds to get to safety. Remember, smoke spreads fast, so early warning is everything. Test them regularly, and replace batteries at least once a year. A good tip is to change the batteries when you adjust your clocks for daylight saving time. Also, replace the entire smoke detector every 10 years, even if it seems to be working fine. Next up, keep a watchful eye on anything that gets hot. Cooking is the leading cause of home fires, so always stay in the kitchen when you're frying, grilling, or broiling food. That means never leaving cooking unattended, especially when using stoves or ovens. If you need to step away even for a minute, turn off the heat. Keep flammable items like towels, oven mitts, and paper away from the stovetop. Always keep a fire extinguisher handy in the kitchen, and make sure everyone in your household knows how to use it. Take a moment to read the instructions and practice the pass technique. Pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. Don't forget about electrical safety. Faulty wiring and overloaded circuits are common causes of house fires, so it's important to be vigilant. Check your appliances and cords regularly for any damage, and replace them immediately if you spot any frayed wires or loose connections. Never run cords under rugs or furniture, as this can cause them to overheat. Overloaded outlets are another fire hazard, so avoid using too many appliances on a single circuit. Use power strips with surge protectors and unplug devices when they're not in use. Finally, practice your escape plan. Make sure everyone knows what to do and where to go if the smoke alarm sounds. Practice at different times of day and from different rooms. Make sure everyone in your family knows 2 ways out of every room and a designated meeting place outside. Teach children how to check doors for heat and to stay low to avoid smoke. Regular fire drills might seem like a chore, but they could save lives in a real emergency. By making fire safety a part of your everyday routine, you're not just protecting your home, you're giving your family the confidence and knowledge to act quickly if disaster strikes. Now let's shift gears and talk about fire safety in the workplace. Whether you work in an office, a warehouse, or any other type of facility, understanding and practicing fire safety is essential for protecting yourself and your colleagues. Just like at home, prevention is key. Taking proactive steps can make a huge difference in reducing the risk of fire. Start by making sure your workspace is always clean and organized, and that walkways and exits are never blocked. Familiarize yourself with your workplace's fire safety plan, including evacuation routes, assembly points, and the location of fire extinguishers and alarms. Take a few minutes to review posted maps and safety instructions so you know exactly what to do in an emergency. Keep your workspace tidy and free of clutter, especially around electrical equipment and heat sources. Clutter can fuel a fire and block your escape route, so regular cleaning is more important than you might think. Avoid overloading outlets and extension cords, and report any damaged wiring or malfunctioning appliances to your supervisor immediately. Electrical issues are a leading cause of workplace fires, so never ignore warning signs like frayed cords or flickering lights. If you smoke, do so only in designated areas and dispose of cigarette butts responsibly. Make sure cigarettes are fully extinguished before throwing them away, and never smoke inside the building. Never smoke near flammable materials or storage areas. Flammable liquids, gases, and even paper can ignite easily, so always pay attention to warning signs and follow posted rules. Remember, even a small spark can quickly escalate into a major fire. It only takes a moment of carelessness for a disaster to happen, so always stay alert and cautious. Lastly, stay vigilant and report any potential fire hazards to the appropriate personnel. If you notice something unsafe, speak up right away. Your actions could prevent a serious incident. By working together and following these simple guidelines, we can create a safer environment for everyone. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility, and your commitment helps protect not just yourself, but your entire workplace community. Now let's talk about those pesky fire starters that can turn a normal day into a disaster in just moments. Understanding the most common causes of fires is crucial for prevention. By knowing what to look out for, you can take simple steps to protect your home and loved ones from tragedy. Cooking mishaps top the list, often due to unattended stoves or grease fires. Even a quick distraction can lead to a dangerous situation, as oil or food left on the burner can ignite rapidly. Always stay alert in the kitchen, and never leave cooking unattended. Keep pot handles turned inward, and flammable items like towels or paper away from the stove. Electrical malfunctions are another major culprit. Old wiring, damaged cords, and outdated outlets can all create hidden dangers in your home. Faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, and malfunctioning appliances can all spark a blaze. Avoid plugging too many devices into one outlet, and replace any cords that show signs of wear. Regularly inspect your electrical systems and address any issues promptly. If you notice flickering lights or a burning smell, call a professional right away. Heating equipment, especially during colder months, can also pose a significant fire risk. Space heaters, fireplaces, and furnaces all need to be used with caution. Keep flammable materials at least 3 feet away from space heaters, fireplaces, and other heat sources. Never use extension cords with space heaters, and always turn them off when leaving the room. Have your heating systems inspected and maintained annually by a qualified professional. This helps catch potential problems before they become dangerous. Careless smoking habits are another leading cause of fires. Smoking indoors, especially when tired or distracted, can be extremely risky. Always extinguish cigarettes completely and dispose of them in designated containers. Never toss butts into trash cans or out windows, as they can smolder and ignite nearby materials. Never smoke in bed or near flammable materials. Taking these precautions can make a huge difference in keeping your home and family safe from fire. Now, let's sharpen our hazard spotting skills. At home, be mindful of overloaded outlets, frayed electrical cords, and flammable liquids stored improperly. Keep candles away from curtains and furniture, and never leave them unattended. In the workplace, be wary of cluttered workspaces, blocked fire exits, and improperly stored flammable materials. Report any potential hazards to your supervisor immediately. Remember, even seemingly harmless items can become fire hazards under the right conditions. Be vigilant, use common sense, and always err on the side of caution. Now let's talk about those trusty fire extinguishers, your first line of defense against a small fire. Remember folks, fire extinguishers are designed for tackling small, contained fires, not raging infernos. If you're ever in doubt, evacuate immediately and call the fire department. There are different types of fire extinguishers, each designed for specific classes of fires. Class A extinguishers are for ordinary combustibles like wood and paper. Class B extinguishers are for flammable liquids like gasoline and grease. Class C extinguishers are for electrical fires. Most household fire extinguishers are multi-purpose, meaning they can handle Class A, B, and C fires. Make sure you have at least one easily accessible fire extinguisher on each level of your home and in your workplace. Now let's break down the pass technique for using a fire extinguisher. Pull the pin. This will break the tamper seal and allow you to discharge the extinguisher. Aim low. Point the nozzle of the extinguisher at the base of the fire, not the flames themselves. Squeeze the lever. This will release the extinguishing agent. Sweep from side to side. Move the nozzle back and forth at the base of the fire until it's extinguished. Remember, practice makes perfect. Familiarize yourself with your fire extinguisher and the pass technique before an emergency strikes. This video is brought to you by Wixtrack Technologies, your trusted partner for cutting-edge fire safety solutions. From advanced fire detection systems to comprehensive emergency response plans, Wixtrack Technologies is committed to keeping your home and workplace safe. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more about our innovative products and services.